Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah. From the moment I opened my eyes, you were there, my first sunrise. Through every fall, through every scar, you held my heart no matter how far. You gave your dreams so I could fly, wiped every tear I tried to hide. Even when the road got rough, you showed me what a real love was. No, I never said it enough, but your love made me strong. Your love don't fade, it don't break. Even when my world starts to shake, through every storm, through every pain, you're the shelter in the rain. You gave me hope, you gave me faith, even when I lost my way. No matter where this life may go, I carry your love, it's all I know. Praying on your knees, asking God to watch over me. You fought battles I never knew, just to make sure I made it through. Every sacrifice you made is written in the path I take, and every step, every breath is proof of the love you gave. I'm standing here because of you. Your love pulled me through. Your love don't fade, it don't break. Even when my world starts to shake, through every storm, through every pain, you're the shelter in the rain. You gave me hope, you gave me faith, even when I lost my way. No matter where this life may go, I carry your love, it's all I know. If I could give you the world back for every time you gave me yours, I'd write your name across the sky so everyone could see your worth. You're my hero, my guiding light, the reason I still stand and fight. Your love don't fade, it don't break. Even when my heart might ache, through every storm, through every pain, you're the sunshine after rain. You gave me life, you gave me more than I could ever ask you for. No matter where this life may go, I carry your love. I carry your love. Oh, I carry your love, it's all I